Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iPhone 15 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So basically, let's have a look at the standard keyboard with one language applied. As you can see, we've got here the emoji icon, which will be changed after the whole operation. Because first of all, I'd like to show you how to add the language to keyboard. So you have like 2 or 3 different languages added, and then how to set only one. So in order to change the keyboard language or add the keyboard language, we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the general option. Now let's scroll down to find the keyboard and tap on keyboards. As you can see here, we've got the list of all applied keyboards. We've got English and emoji. So let's tap on add new keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. So we've got a lot of options to choose from. Let me pick Urdu one, simply tap on it. Okay, maybe this one. So here you can pick the keyboard type. It's up to you. I prefer this one. So let's tap on done in the right upper corner, and as you can see, it has been immediately applied to the list. So now we can go back and check the keyboard. And as you can see, we've got this globe icon, which I've mentioned before. And basically, thanks to it, we can change the keyboard layout. So right now we can type Urdu, and here we can type English. So this is how to add the language to the keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it in order to set only one language. So you can change and set a different language you've got set as a system one. So all you have to do right here is to tap on edit. And now you can freely remove the language. I prefer English, so let me remove Urdu. Simply tap on this minus icon and tap on delete. Let's simply tap on done. As you can see, we've got only one language applied, the English one. And after getting back to the keyboard, you can see that we do not have the globe icon, which means that we cannot change the language here, and we've got only one applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.